Hey digital entrepreneurs, I wanted to give you guys some sauce today. How to make $10,000 and $10,000 a month from home. The first option is joining an MLM. Okay guys, so to make $10,000 in a multi-level marketing company, you need 200 people on leg 1, 200 people on leg 2, and 100 people on leg 3. This is not the way that I recommend because it's very hard to do, and 99% of people fail at it, and it's mostly because their success depends on other people. It's more of a team building thing and it requires duplication. So for example, I could sign up a guy named Jerry, and I may need this guy named Jerry to bring in 3 more people so that I can hit my first rank of making $600 a month. I may be motivating Jerry all week to go ahead and find his 3 people so that I can hit my rank, and Jerry may take forever to find his 3 people. Jerry may not have it in him. Jerry may not even really want to do this thing. Jerry might just think that this whole thing is a scam. Jerry just simply isn't motivated as I am to make my money. So maybe I move on from Jerry and then I sign another guy named Anthony. So then I tell Anthony the same thing. Go ahead and bring these 3 people and I'm going to help you get to this level so that you can make this much money and I can make this much money. And maybe Anthony sees the vision, but he just does not have the network that is willing to buy into it. Now you're bringing in person after person after person, and all these people you're bringing in doesn't duplicate, and you could go ahead and do this 20 times, bring in 20, 30 people, and you still not get paid because you never hit your leg requirements. So more of the story is that's not the best business structure because you have to meet a certain type of people that want to build that business, and you do not really want to rely on anybody for your success. Because depending on where these people come from, how they view life, how they view this business opportunity, you could be waiting years before you make $10,000 a month. And 90% of those people have already quit while you're still at it. So the second way to earn $10,000 or $10,000 a month is to own your own product. Okay guys, so this is simple math here. Let's say that I want to sell these fire jackets for the winter. I come up with the idea and I hire somebody to put in the design for the jacket, and I say, okay, I'm going to make the price of this jacket $100. So to make $10,000, all I need to do is sell this jacket 100 times. I find 100 customers that want to buy my jacket, and boom, I done made $10,000 selling a $100 jacket. Me selling the jacket 100 times depends on the value of the jacket, whether people like it, the network that I've made, your branding, your marketing system, and it doesn't depend on other people. And you can make this $10,000 the first day, the second day, the first month, the first 2 months, the first 3 months, but it doesn't depend on anybody else's work ethic. And that is what's awesome about owning your own thing and not doing MLM. Now, if you want to make $10,000 a month, maybe you have a digital product. Maybe you're selling some type of services, some type of knowledge, and you say, okay, this digital product or this digital course or whatever is $100, and you sell that to 100 people. Now you've made $10,000 up front and $10,000 a month because they have to pay a monthly subscription for your product that you've created. So now instead of you needing 200 people on one leg, 200 people on a second leg, and 100 people on a third leg, or 500 people in total to make $10,000 a month, you now made $10,000 up front and a month just by selling your digital product of $100 to 100 people. But there's a lot of things that it takes, a lot of knowledge, a lot of money that it takes to create a digital product. Now let's say you don't got the time, the money, or the knowledge to create a digital product, your own website and everything. The third way to make $10,000 up front or monthly is to do affiliate marketing. Now to be an affiliate of something, that means that you take a product that you like and you are able to resell it. There are many companies and products that allow you to be an affiliate and make a commission. For an example, I can make a video on this very camera that I'm using right now, and then I can go ahead and describe all the specs and why you guys should buy this camera. And then I could describe other cameras that may be affordable for you guys. And I could get the affiliate links on Amazon for all of those and put those in the description of my YouTube video. And once you guys purchase a camera from my affiliate link, I earn a certain percentage of commission. That's how affiliate marketing works. Now, let's say that you guys find an affiliate program out there that has a product that you like that pays out 80% commissions, which there is that I know of, wink, wink. And let's just say this affiliate program has a product that is $100, just like the jacket example that we used. You will then get your affiliate link for this product and resell it to others using your network. So if you're earning 80% commissions on a $100 product, that would mean that you guys would have to sell that digital product 125 times to make $10,000. If you want to make $10,000 a month affiliate marketing, then you have to find a digital product that has a subscription, and when you resell that to people as an affiliate, then you will make $10,000 upfront and monthly. Or you could be an affiliate of multiple companies or products, and altogether it makes you $10,000 upfront or monthly. So for affiliate marketing, you would have to make 25 more sales versus if you had your own product, but at least you don't have to put in any money that it would cost to have your own product. Me personally, I'm always gonna choose having my own product or being an affiliate of something because that's where the money's at. I'm getting paid for everything that I do. There are some people that do have success in MLM, but oftentimes it does require 20 times the work and a little bit of luck because you do need the people in your downline who see your vision the way you see it to be successful. So which way is the best way to make $10,000 a month? You guys decide. Put in the comments below.